Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. But yesterday was National Pasta Day, and I hope you all enjoyed your favorite pasta. Last night, I prepared sausage, zucchini, tomatoes, and pasta. Actually, it was rotini. Wonderful dish. Wonderful. The veggies were nice, still nice and just a little crisp, a little crunch. The flavors were really, really good. Yeah, I recommend it. 5 stars. All right, today the culinary expedition is in Afghanistan, where I'm doing a simple soup. It's called Shorwa or Shorwa Soup. It's very simple, but it's kind of a long simmer. So let's get to it. We're starting with 8 ounces of stew meat, beef, then yellow onion, potato, carrot. Need some oil to brown the stew meat, some beef stock, some cumin and turmeric, and fresh cilantro for garnish. Like I just mentioned, very simple, but between the cumin and the turmeric and the touch of cilantro, this should be a very nice, comforting soup. From Afghanistan. You gotta love the Middle East and that region of the world for all the wonderful use of spices. I'm really falling in love with that whole region, to be quite honest. The weather's supposed to be beautiful today here in Sutter County, California. So have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.